Did you know that the Lux Garden Estate is on a pre-launch sales of 2.5 million naira, all prices inclusive? This means that you're paying 2.5 million naira for both your documentation fee and development fee worth 450,000 naira. Amazing, right? Now, this offer lasts till the 31st of January 2024. So if you're an investor or you're looking for the right property to invest in, this estate is the best option for you. Okay, now is the perfect time to own as many plots as possible and make a lot of profit from this pre-launch sales. So call me now on the number that is displayed on your screen. Let us take advantage of this opportunity while it's still available. The return on investment in this estate is mind-blowing and massive. So you can make an initial payment of 500k and above to secure a plot or two in this amazing estate and spread the balance in the next 3 months. And make sure you don't miss out on this for anything. Did you know that the Lux Garden Estate